Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to create pie chart animation. So look at the preview first. First of all, click on plus icon and add circle shape. Then after, change its color into black and increase its size. Then duplicate its layer and click on the circle 1. Change its color into white and increase a little bit size of the circle. After then, click on plus icon and click on vector drawings. Then add one point in the middle, another one in the top, and last one as you choose where you want. Then click on contour icon and in this icon. After then, select shape 1 and circle 1 and click on mask icon. Then move the group and mask layer to the top and duplicate its layer. After that, click on move and transform and keep pivot point at the middle of the screen. Then click on the rotation setting and add 2 keyframes in 1 second duration. After that, rotate first keyframe until the black spot seems visible. Now you can see the animation. Also, you can give ease in and ease out graph for smooth animation. Now select this 2 layer and again, mask it. Now you can see the proper pie chart animation. All after this, increase both layer timeline and keep masked layer like me. Then after, add 2 keyframes on moving setting of black circle. Take the first keyframe downward of the screen and give ease in and ease out graph for it. Now you can see the proper animation of pie chart. Also, you can give text animation for the better result.